Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to update Google Chrome on your PC to the latest version, so you can enjoy the newest features and improve security. Keeping your browser updated is important for making sure you have a smooth browsing experience, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu button. Click on those 3 dots to open up the drop-down menu. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option called Help. When the Help menu expands, select About Google Chrome. This will take you to the About page, where Google Chrome automatically begins checking for the latest updates. If there's a new update available, Chrome will immediately start downloading it in the background. The process usually only takes a few moments, depending on the size of the update and your internet speed. You don't need to do anything else at this point. Chrome will handle it for you. Once the download is finished, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click it, and Chrome will close itself, and then reopen automatically. Don't worry, your open tabs will come back just as they were before. After Chrome restarts, the update will be fully applied, and you'll now be running the latest version of the browser. That's it. You're officially updated and ready to go. Regularly checking for updates is a good habit to keep your browsing fast, secure, and up-to-date with all the newest improvements. With these simple steps, you can always make sure your Chrome browser is current and optimized. Thanks for watching.